everyone, it's Mommy and Mia from Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun.
Today we have 15 surprises for you, including a FlipaZoo blind bag Series 1 and a Hello Kitty Series 1 costume collection blind bag. Go ahead. Okay, we start off with this ballerina puppy. Super cute. Next, we have a hair tie. This hair tie is from Barbie, and it's a cat with a bow. I know it doesn't look like Barbie, but it is from a Barbie set.
Yeah, a hairstyling set.
Yep.
Tattoo.
Oh, we have a tattoo. This is Phineas and Ferb's pet. Let's put it on Mia's hand. Okay, I will do the next egg. Oh no, we have 2 tattoos.
Okay.
Well, let's wait till the first one's done, and then we'll put the second one on. I didn't realize Mia both were filling eggs, and I didn't realize that she put one in too. We have a bracelet. Do you want to put the bracelet on, Mia?
Yep. And I checked my tattoo and it was done.
Then it's done. All right, let's put the other one on.
If it doesn't peel off, that means that's not done. Other hand. It's so funny that we got 2.
Okay. Purple egg. We have Pumpkin Ella. It's a Shopkin. Get to do another egg. Candy. Did you try some?
Yeah.
What color?
Purple. Purple fried out.
Good. How is it?
Good.
Okay. All right, and Mia's tattoo is finished. And this is a Troll's Guide. Do you remember his name?
No.
Okay.
What's a...
We have a Mega Bloks. This is a pizza.
I wonder what's inside.
I wonder. Ooh, it's Zuma. Zuma from Paw Patrol. Next. Oh, we have a Beanie Baby. This is a TY Beanie Baby, and its name is Ozito the Bear. I think so. We have another Beanie Baby. This one's a polar bear, and it's called Chili the Polar Bear. We have an emoji. This emoji is upset.
Last egg.
Looks like another candy egg.
Yeah. I love candy.
This one's a frozen, and it has blue and yellow snowflakes. Mia?
Blue.
Okay, FlipaZoo or, okay, this is our very first FlipaZoo. Let's see what we got. We got a sparkly one. Show the camera. And let me look at this collector's guide.
This sparkly, I think it's like a bear.
And then what about the other side?
It's like a sparkle. I'm not sparkly or purple. Sheep or something.
Okay, let's see what we have.
I like these because they're soft to flip through rubbery.
Let me see. So, here's the first one. It does look like a sheep or a bear, maybe. And then you flip it, and we have a glitter one. And this one looks like maybe a cat, or these are really actually hard to tell. And then there's lots and lots, 101 styles to collect. Now, I think that the sparkly ones are limited edition.
Let's see if I can find it on the package.
But I don't see.
Maybe it's a mystery one.
You know, guys, I am really not sure. I really don't know. I don't see it on the checklist. But if any of you guys know, I don't know if you can see it too well on the camera, but this is glitter. It's a sparkly FlipaZoo on one side, and then a purple FlipaZoo on the other side.
It would be cool if we got a golden.
Let's put the sparkly one out.
Yeah, because it's more cool.
Okay, last thing. What did we get?
Kitty. Mermaid Kitty.
Aw, this is Hello Kitty as a mermaid. Let's see, you found her? There she is. Yep, it says Mermaid Hello Kitty. You can get pirate, mummy, zombie, princess, superhero, mermaid, cowgirl, ninja, and Red Riding Hood. And we got the mermaid.
I really like the mermaid.
Me too.
It would be funny if we got a zombie.
Uh-huh.
And then maybe we could, if we got a zombie, we could do roleplay videos with zombie.
Yeah. Okay, let's clean up the table and see what we got in a little bit closer detail. Alright, here are the toys we got today, including what I think is a limited edition FlipaZoo and the Mermaid Hello Kitty. What is your favorite, Mia? The FlipaZoo. My favorite is Hello Kitty. What's your guys' favorites? Please let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And share the video with your friends. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.